Hey, this is Charles from Infospike, and this is my AudGram review. If you are new to my channel, if you are into learning simple ways to make money online, just go ahead and like and subscribe. I provide a wide variety of tips, some strategies, and then also my reviews. And hopefully you can make a very educated decision after watching this video. So I've been online for over 10 years, and so I'll provide my feedback and insights to learn from. So let's go ahead and get started here. This tool, AudGram, it allows you to turn audio into visual gold. It's a web-based platform that transforms your boring audio files into eye-catching video content. Offered by Mark Thompson and Codis Labs LLC, this tool promises to help content creators turn their podcasts and audio into stunning audiograms without any tech skills. The platform uses AI to automatically add captions, create waveforms, sync everything together for social media sharing. Before I jump any further, I want to also let you know that I am not an affiliate of AudGram, so I want to let you know that up front. So let's go ahead and talk about what makes this different compared to the competition. This isn't your typical video editing software that requires hours to learn. AudGram focuses specifically on audiograms and does only one thing really well. It converts audio to engaging video content. Platform handles everything from transcription to visual design, letting you create professional looking content in just minutes instead of hours. Key features that help you cash in on visual content. So let's go ahead and talk about AI transcription. It works in over 60 languages and automatically generates captions for your audio. You get access to professional templates, waveform animations, and progress bars that sync with your audio perfectly. The text-to-speech feature features over 10 different voices, and you can even clone your own voice for consistent branding across all your content. Simple 6-step process to create money-making content. All you have to do is upload your audio, video, or paste text to get started with the creation process. Select the best parts of your audio using the built-in trimming tools, then review and edit the automatically generated captions. You could choose from professional templates, customize colors and fonts to match your brand, then export your finished audiogram ready for social media. It also has pricing that lets you keep more money in your pocket. Instead of paying monthly fees like competitors, AudGram offers lifetime access for a one-time payment. Regular price is $199 per year, but the current deal gives you permanent access for just $67 with the code AudGram. This includes unlimited projects, watermark-free videos, and 50 gigabytes of storage and all feature updates forever. I want to provide you with some of my feedback regarding this language here, because a lot of the software that I've seen in the internet marketing space, especially from creators that release software very often, is that if you're looking for a software that is going to provide you with ongoing updates, rapidly responding to people's requests, and providing you with a roadmap that's evolving throughout the week, every week, so you could see continuous development. I haven't seen that too much within the internet marketing space. And so most of the software apps that I personally recommend are the ones that do. So just want to let you know that up front, because you are getting this at a one-time payment. And typically with that, there's cost to maintain the server, cost to pay the developers, and that could be pretty expensive. And I can see that a lot of times the one-time payment platforms don't have a whole bunch of features being released continuously over time. So just want to keep you um, up to date on that. You know, a lot of people aren't aware of those things. So who can profit big time from this tool? Podcasters can create promotional clips to attract new listeners and grow their audience. Content creators can repurpose their existing audio into multiple video formats for social media platforms. Marketers, educators, business owners can transform audio content into engaging visual posts that stop the scroll and generate more engagement. I have used some tools that are very affordable, one-time payment that can be utilized for this. And for the price point, I would say that they do the job. And for this, you're just creating some social media content. So I don't see a problem with that. The real pros and cons you need to know. So pretty much you can get started with no technical skills, lifetime pricing instead of monthly fees, and AI transcriptions in 60 languages. Multiple format options work perfectly for different social media platforms and professional templates where you can save hours on design. Cons include a 10-minute video limit, web-based only operation requiring internet and voice quality that may not match professional recordings completely. So a lot of this right here, especially the cons, 10-minute video limit, I would say that that's actually okay because a lot of the video content on YouTube that's monetized, it's typically like around 8 minutes, sometimes more. But that's the typical range, around 8 minutes that people try to push content out for that limit. And it also says here that voice quality may not match professional recordings completely. I could see that because one of the best audio platforms I've seen for generating voiceovers is called 11 Labs. And I would say that unless they explicitly say that they use 11 Labs or they're integrated with some other third parties, then it's hard to tell. A lot of these that I've seen, the voices are just so-so, they're just okay. And so if it doesn't say 11 Labs or any of the other audio voiceover competitors, then I would say that don't expect something that's totally awesome. I typically look for platforms where they really are good at cloning voices. And if they don't mention that, then most of the time it doesn't have that capability. And even with voice clones, it's hard to find very good ones that are better than 11 Labs. So here's the bottom line. Is AudGram worth your investment? It delivers on its promises to make creation simple and accessible for non-technical users. Lifetime deal presents solid value. It's very affordable. And if you don't like it, you do have a 30-day money back guarantee. And you could test the platform risk-free to see if it fits your content creation workflow. And it helps you score big with visual content. So again, you're getting something at a very low cost. And if you're looking for something that's more professional, then I'm going to provide a link in my description, and something that is more versatile and has very good audio and video quality. So that's what I'll provide for you. And then also what I'm going to do is leave you a link to my free PDF where you can learn a simple way to generate income online. If that's what you're interested in, go ahead and check it out. Again, my name is Charles Draven from Infospike.com. Thank you for watching this video on AudGram.